Hi, I'm Christian author and speaker Janet DeCaster, here with the sales and marketing team to tell you about my new book, Dog Tales and Pup Parables, 31 Devotions for a Dog Lover's Heart. Jesus used simple illustrations from everyday life to teach spiritual truth. In Dog Tales and Pup Parables, 31 Devotions for a Dog Lover's Heart, I use simple, true stories from my everyday experiences with these guys and my friends' dogs to help biblical concepts come alive for spiritual growth. I hope you'll check out a copy at major online retailers and at my website, janetdecaster.com. Thanks.